Hi everyone, it's Marina. I'm back with another reaction, and the next MV that I'm gonna watch is the with J-Hope mixtape. I'm really surprised that he released a second MV. I thought J-Hope is only gonna release like one MV for the Dream, but I'm really happy that he made another MV for the song on his mixtape with Airplane. Let's rewatch it together. J-Hope with Airplane in 1, 2, 3. Go. Oh my god, so pretty. Holy sorry. Wow. Okay, so aesthetic, I love it. Even though Airplane is not my favorite top 3 song, but I really like uh, the bass note, like the bass music for this MV. I really like this song. It's just this part for the bass drop. It's just for me, it's like really basic kind of like drop bass, so it's not, I'm not that into it. I really like the first bass. Wow, so pretty the MV. I thought the MV is gonna be a bit more slower because the song is, I think, more appeal for the girls band, more lighter than the Daydream one. Wow, so slick. Wow, I love this MV. Wow. Wow, viewpoint looks so good. Oh. Wow. Habiba voice is really nice. It's so unique that you could tell it's J-Hope. I don't say this kind of like beat was bad, but it's so basic. So I just feel a bit waste because Habiba vocal is really nice. I hope like a bit something special for the drop beat because the first music was really nice. Like the first beat of oh. That was so nice. I really like how it's simple but so aesthetic. I love it. Wow. I really love, must say that I like this MV better than the Dream because it's just so my style. But anyway, the other MV was nice too. So yeah, that was my reaction for J-Hope with Airplane. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give me some thumbs up and subscribe for more video in future. See you next time.